boy.
Hey, Grady. Thank you for bringing me a stick.
Pet dog.
Yeah, he's gonna smell.
Oh.
Grady. Hi.
Oh, get your stick.
My camera won't do face recognition on a dog.
Well, you know he'll go fetch a stick out of the water. He likes sticks. Terrible, but he does.
Don't eat the stick, Grady.
Oh, but he does. He shouldn't, but he does. Higher ground. Sometimes we're on a walk and he'll just grab a stick and lay down and start chewing.
Run him to the deep part there.
What?
Run him to the deep part.
It's pretty deep over there. Grady pup! Come on, let's go.
You're completely underwater.
I'm a little wet. Just a little wet.
Oop. I can't tilt my camera. Oops.
I hope you got that by now, because I'm so...
Yeah. Oh.
Look out, dog shake. Coming up.
No.
Oh yeah.
I think
Here's a
he has an
milkshake,
itch.
well this is the dog shake.
That's my foot.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Grady. Why are you digging under my foot?
Something smells interesting, obviously. Smell worms.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom! That's what you told me to say.
It is, yes.
I just complied. Hi, worms. Yeah, this is awful. That's it. Somebody had a garden hose they were trying to